Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something super cool, looksmaxxing. If you're new here, I'm your host, and I'm really happy you're here for today's chat. Let's kick things off by breaking down what we mean by looksmaxxing. It's not just about the surface stuff. It's about transforming how you think and live. It's like sculpting a unique statue of personal care, style, and inner change. Imagine each piece, from grooming to style to inner growth, contributing to the masterpiece that is the best you. Now, let's dive into the important first step, basic grooming. Think of your hair, skin, and nails as your personal canvases. Kickstart your morning with a straightforward yet impactful skincare routine. Begin with a mild cleanser to remove impurities, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated, like a refreshing splash of water waking up your face. After cleansing, imagine applying a hydrating moisturizer as if you're giving your skin a sip of water, leaving it feeling soft and prepared for the day ahead. And, of course, never skip the sunscreen. Think of it as your protective shield against the sun's rays, safeguarding your skin and preserving its youthful radiance. When it comes to your hair, treat it like your daily crown. Experiment with different styles, a classic slick back, textured quiff, or a trendy fade. Picture yourself confidently rocking that new look, enhancing your overall appearance. Don't forget your nails, essential yet often overlooked. Keep them trimmed and clean. Consider weekly exfoliations for a deeper cleanse, revealing a brighter complexion. Your skin will thank you for this revitalizing treat. Our next step is clothing and style, where we'll explore some trendy fashion vibes perfect for guys. As we sculpt your unique looksmaxxing journey, consider these awesome styles that cater to different tastes and preferences. If you're into the old money style, picture yourself strolling through the streets with a timeless elegance. Incorporate tailored suits, classic patterns, and sophisticated accessories to capture that refined, aristocratic charm. Elevate your wardrobe with pieces that exude luxury and craftsmanship. For those embracing the Starboy style, think modern, attention-grabbing, and bold. Embrace bright or dark colors, daring patterns, and stylish accessories. Imagine rocking vibrant leather jackets, metallic detailed shoes, or a standout hat to channel that futuristic and edgy Starboy vibe. And let's not forget the athletic aesthetics, perfect for those who love a sporty yet fashionable look. Envision yourself in comfortable yet stylish activewear, emphasizing sleek lines and performance materials. From gym sessions to casual outings, blend comfort with trendiness effortlessly. Lastly, there's the charm of vintage vibes. Transport yourself to another era with retro-inspired clothing. Imagine donning timeless pieces like high or low-waisted trousers, suspenders, and vintage sneakers. Add a classic hat or accessory for that extra touch of nostalgia. Remember, these are just starting points, and the key is to make these styles your own. It's about showcasing your personality, experimenting with different looks, and finding a style that screams you. Let that newfound confidence radiate not only in your appearance, but in your daily life, as if you're creating your own fashion gallery. Your style is your signature, an expressive reflection of your individuality. Embrace it, own it, and let your wardrobe tell the story of the incredible person you are becoming. Now, let's get into the exciting part of the journey, fitness and health. It's where we turn those goals into action that gets your heart pumping and your body moving. Fitness isn't just about hitting the gym, it's about finding activities that feel like your personal adventure. Imagine breaking a sweat doing something you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or mastering a new sport. Picture feeling those endorphins, that burst of energy, and the pride that comes with each accomplishment. And when we talk about nutrition, it's crucial to remember that achieving your fitness goals goes hand in hand with getting the right macronutrition, including carbohydrates, protein, and fats. It's not about saying no to your favorite treats. It's about creating a menu that fuels your body and supports your fitness goals. Imagine enjoying meals that are not only tasty, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Crafting meals that are both a treat for your taste buds and a powerhouse for your body. As you embrace the fitness and health aspect, envision a transformation, not just physically, but a change that involves your mindset and daily vitality. Consider it your personal fitness adventure, where every workout and nutritious meal, rich in the right macros, is a step closer to the best version of yourself. So get ready to break a sweat, nourish your body with the right macronutrition, and witness the incredible changes this fitness journey brings into your life. And here's the game changer: inner development. It's not just about what's on the outside. It's about becoming the best version of yourself on the inside too. Set some big goals, push your boundaries, and watch that inner glow light up every part of your life. Engaging in hobbies can be a fantastic way to foster inner growth. Whether it's learning to play a musical instrument, exploring the world of painting, or delving into the art of writing, these activities allow you to discover new aspects of yourself and expand your horizons. Additionally, consider mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga. These not only contribute to your inner well-being, but also provide a sense of calm and balance, enhancing your overall personal development. Remember, this journey is as much about discovering yourself as it is about reaching your goals. As we wrap up, remember, this isn't a sprint. It's more like a marathon. Your transformation is as unique as you are, and being patient is the key to making it happen. Stick with these steps, believe in yourself, and watch the magic unfold. Until our next chat, take care, stay confident, and I'm genuinely looking forward to having you on this incredible journey to feeling your best. Remember, it's not over for you to Looksmaxx. And before you go, let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to explore together. Your feedback is what keeps this community thriving. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future talks. Until next time.